9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put the money on forward.
Sexy and you're more than just a side chick. You're the kind of girl everyone want to spend them life with. Body ever clean and you're full up of the tightness. Show you to the world, could never try to keep it private. No, me know you love my girl, about to hide it. You're the girl me love, I mean I really care who.
When you feel nice, three shots of tequila, got you moving waistline up. Like that one say you're to dance spice, everything you wear is perfectly designed. It's you that I need, take you to the
work. Before the table turn. I think that I found myself a cheerleader. I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to.
No. Well, my view upon this Zika thing, well, name Zika virus. Well, them say to go to Jamaica. See, before I go there, so the Prime Minister of Jamaica and all the leaders over the world, we are talking about mosquito. I do them thing. Listen to me now. When you get away the chicken gun or something, stop telling about mosquito. I am the voice of all the mosquito generation. Them tell me to tell unos. Say to stop the lies, pandems. Mosquito not bring nothing come here. People, listen to me, man. Me a idiot. I'm not a fool. And the world know me a idiot. But them people are trying to take with a fool. Oh, mosquito for travel from Brazil. Come to Jamaica, come give it Zika. No, tell me now. What them going to do? Them going to fly over the Atlantic Ocean, swim across the Caribbean Sea, and then bring it come give it? No, listen me now, man. Listen me now, man. And if they're not going to do it that way, then that simply means that they're going to take plane come here. That means that they start get visa. Mosquito start getting... Hey, listen to me, man. Actually, at this time, I don't want to cuss the stone and fling nobody over there. Eh? No, listen, no, stop telling about mosquito. People, them sit down with them and talk about buy up, destroy all kind of something. You see how money them a look. Mosquito bring nothing come here. You sit down and meditate, man. Look how far the mosquito them a travel from. Eh? You feel like them going to make it if you come here? Eh? How they know say it a reach here? Unless it already there. And them just need to unleash it now. But mosquito travel come from all the way from Brazil come to Jamaica. How a mosquito do call Portia depend. Portia, make preparation. Yeah, come out there. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now. Enough is enough. Eh? Enough is enough. I'm in a business who wants to be a eater. Come on, 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 be a eater till the day I die.